Good morning, my friends. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful long weekend. The weather was really nice for most of it, so I hope you had some good opportunities to play outside. Let's start our day. May 26th, 2020. Dear friends, today is Tuesday. Do you have a lot of long weekend news? The White House is a national symbol. Who lives in the White House? Love, Mrs. Jones. So I know we had a long weekend. I have a lot of weekend news. I hope that you do as well. We're continuing our study of national symbols, and I want you to find out who lives in the White House. Okay, and then from there we'll have some more questions, but that's my first one for you. Who lives in the White House? Let's look now for some capitals. Capital M, last week of May, oh my word. Capital D, capital F, capital T, capital T, capital D, capital T, capital W, and capital H. White House, proper noun. Keep going. Capital H, capital W, capital H, and where I sign off, the L, the M, and the J, all capital. Ending marks. We start out and we see we have a period. Keep going and we have a question mark. Keep going and we have another period. Keep going and we have a question mark. Well, there was a pattern. Period, question mark, period, question mark. Patterns are everywhere. Alrighty, we're going to now search for some digraphs. We had question words, and this is the word do, so it is a question word, not a digraph. We have the TH in the, we have the WH in the word white, we have a WH in the word who, WH in the word white again, and those are all our digraphs. Now, let's look for some compound words. Today. Today, put it together, we get today. How many syllables? Today. Two. Weekend, compound word. Weekend. Put it together, we get weekend. How many syllables? Weekend. Two. How many syllables in the word white? White. One. The word house. House. One. Already, long vowels. Here we go. Long vowels that are powered up by the E is what I'm looking for. This is an E at the end, but the vowel is short. So rule breaker. Keep going, looking for the word white. Has an E at the end, powering up the I to say I. Y, I. Keep going. We see it again, of course, same word. I, White House, E powering up the I. And in the word Jones, E powering up the O to say O, Jones. All right, we get to add another one today. I'm going to change the way these are organized to make it look more like dice. So right away when we see it, we know 4. Don't even need to count because you've been playing so many games with your dice at home. 1, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 3 plus 1 more, we are now at 164. We had 17 days left. We've added a day, so we have to take one away. 17, one less, 17, 16. There it is, 16 days left. So we're checking our math. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now we're trading. 0 ones now, 1 more 10, 6, 7, 8, and a 1. 180 is still our total. Temperature yesterday, even though we weren't together, 45 degrees on the start of Monday. Today, 61. Wow, very big difference there. And I wanted to just go back and look at what I had done from my observation. I hope that you did your work over the weekend to do some observing. If you did, send me a photo. I'm curious. So I didn't choose another category. There wasn't anything different that I saw outside. I saw 5 birds, 1 toad, no frogs, no snakes, a snake hole maybe, but no snake, 3 butterflies, and 1 ladybug. So the most that I saw was birds with 5. The least that I saw was snakes, 0. And what was my total? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is, good work, 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, don't even have to count it, happens to be 10. So my total was 10. I wanted to share with you and make sure that you had worked on your graph. Not too late. If you didn't do your outdoor math graph yet, beautiful day. Create and go. So the other day I was really excited because I had so many helpers with my math problem about the amount of fencing I needed. And I wanted to come back to that question because now I have another question that I think will puzzle you, but I think you'll figure it out. So everybody told me that I needed 16 feet. Everyone responded with that number, 16 feet of fencing. When I went to the store, the only thing that I could find was a package that was 25 feet. That was the smallest package I could get. So I bought 25 feet of fencing. It's all rolled up in a bundle. And I only needed 16 feet. If I used 16 out of the 25 feet, how many feet of fencing do I have left? So I started with 25. I took away 16 to build my fence around my flower bed. How many are left? How many feet do I still have in that roll that I didn't use? I want you to solve that for me. Here are some suggestions. You could do a number line and count. You could use your hundreds grid. You could draw. You could use your 10 frames. But I want you to figure out, I started with 25. I took 16 feet away. Our unit of measure is feet. How many feet of fencing do I have left? Alrighty, that is your job for today. So you've got lots of weekend news to work on. I have lots as well. I want you to get to it because I want you to also have time to get out into the sunshine today, maybe several times. Alrighty, I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday already. Until then, keep a picture in your pocket, a poem in your head, and I will do the same. Goodbye for now.